On Thursday, the 5th of July, inside the year 2018, now we don't put again. And I see your number one chairman of Bonga TV station with this, Wazobia Max TV. The only station, you know, they pay money just on your antenna small. On top UHF channel 57, you'll get us live and direct. It go show for your TV screen, 111. Now you go to call crystal clear, now so it go show. And it don't happen, say from 11 to 12, don't be like Christmas Day. Because now for them, when they tell you all the Bonga to the way concern us inside politics, current affairs, even give you the opportunity to choke your mouth put so that you go talk the way the thing pinch you inside your body, the way the thing torture you for your mind. For our organ there on top, or all of our organ the way they position to know say the voice of the masses, now the voice of God. Me, myself, collectively, and I not fit forget who I be. My name now Ochuko Omiragwa, the only man who say they be like that for national peace and equity to reign based on tradition. Waka. Today we don't come again with another different style. And the thing where we carry come grab in short, my mouth said they helping me to talk our way. But make it not be like say he lost for national peace to reign. I go talk my make a look. See, Boma. Talk quick because my mouth they hurt me.
Your mouth they always they hurt you. But I greet my country people when they watch us right now from anywhere for the world where you dey. Welcome to As E Dey Hot on top your Bonga TV station. And we don't stand out gidigba this morning to talk all the matters and materials. As you know, as it dey be now, we go spread them on top of the table. And you, where they watch us anywhere where you dey, you know now. So you go chook your mouth, put talk as it take inch you. Yes, so you go fit call us for our phone line FOC. I no get credit. It no dey exist for here because you go to do the calling, we go to do the paying. We love you just like that. And don't forget, say, even for social media, you go fit still chook your mouth, put on top the matter. Why not? If not, check us out for Facebook for facebook.com/Wazobia Max PH. We did there live and direct without shaking. And on top of Twitter and Instagram, we did there live with @Wazobia Max PH. My name, Naboma Amadi. Now, so the matter is where we don't spread for on top of table this morning. The governing structure for Nigeria since independence, since where we gain independence, how would they do our governance for inside we Nigeria? Now we want to touch light. Chook I put very willingly inside this morning. But before we go according to how Chuko they talk about, let the cat out of the bag. We will just take pattern, style, levels, enter inside small chinkily break. When we show back, una know as it be now, we go do a thing. Spread the matter on top of the table very willingly. We dey show back.
Welcome back again on top As E Dey Hot. They say bring my cap, nice small picket touch big man head. Now we be the big man wake up for you. We not go align this small picket touch our head because we be still Wazobia Max TV. Anyway, we don't turn that gidigba again before we jump enter that small shikili break. Una remember say Sisi Boma tell una say in short the matter we don't drop on top of table. We want to iron put small fishes so that I go straight way. Now say the governing structure for inside our Obodo Nigeria since independence. We want to shook our eye put to look as e be one by follow. And now we don't know how many times we turn that gidigba for the studio like this. We not the always they come alone. We always look around. Which people they all the structure of Nigeria for their hand we say that they talk the things and thesis and everything we follow inside. We can't look around in short today. The person we carry come for inside Edo State to get one word they tell the qualifier. We are not he means a man way too big. Person when he be like say inside the kind of swimming pool when he dey now fish way big past the pool. In short now ocean he even supposed to dey. And this man we come the studio here now one of the top notch motivational speaker for inside Nigeria and still a presidential aspirant. In short, this word, so as I call him name, but you go follow me clap. It's no other person than Fela Durotoye.
In fact, now clap my hands.
You deserve some accolade.
The accolade now for the people we don't hear. In fact, that accolade now for now. We don't hear youth where they do great things. My people now well done. Now In fact, my heart now ain't don't day here since. I don't. You know what happened? As I dey come from Lagos, we won't land Port Harcourt. Now they tell us say fog don't clear the whole place. Say we no fit land. They can't carry us go back Lagos. You know, say that the pilot he no one risk life at all. Now we can't dey clap for him. But that delay. Now say make I fit reach here for this kind of time. Make I fit talk to the people where they hear word. And so my joy, they don't no be brekete, it don't overflow.
Plenty where. In short, now God say me fella duro to you come day for on top as idiot. Even my people they way they accept. They don't they surprise say in short today. The ones that were not throwing their phone, they don't they pick and say I must call today. Today I must call. They ask for one or two questions. In short, we don't tanda give for you. Even you where they are just ready yourself because we not get plenty time. We just jump enter the question. We don't already did the table because it don't they hot on top. As it they hot, we want to know all the things that they happen inside the gladiator room inside our politics. Anyway, without wasting much time, I go just tell my look your gas. In short, as I look, even my body said they sweet me.
Like this, now so I take blow.
You fresh, finish soft like today, bro. Anyway, you know say they talk say, get one word where they say Bible, where they say don't say when they look this word. I say this word gets strong meaning. They say when the foundation is faulty, what can the righteous do? That word that don't they look and say. Now me we take them back to our obodo Nigeria. They say Nigeria, we don't get one kind. The structure of Nigeria since independence, it be like say it dey 40. I don't want to use the word plague, but it dey 40. Almost all the sectors then, it get the way it be for inside our nation since independence. A lot of people they don't talk and say now because of say Oyibo people they call join the north. The northern part and the southern part, where everybody call amalgamation, join them together. They say now because of that one, say plenty foundational problem there. We need to align them again. We need to align the foundation again. So now, the question I want to ask you, you really think say Nigeria get foundational problem?
I believe say Nigeria get foundational problem.
I bet how.
But I go tell you one thing where I know. No be Nigeria be the only country where get foundational problem. All the countries where we don't they see. And if anybody fit go, then one particular special country, then they call that country Singapore. That one to get foundational problem. In fact, now the same Onyibo, these British people, these British we can't join us together. Now join them together. Okay. But their own, say we in our north and south, then they join like 7 kind people from China to India to Malaysia, then put them inside one place. So the kind of thing where we they face, now in them to face. But you know what thing they can't we then do different. They can't decide, say, even though the foundation faulty, we go refix the foundation.
We align the foundation
because not be every time we foundation bad. Now be say you get to break the house down. Make you pieces the house. Nothing way they way perfect. Now only God they do anything way perfect. Or you don't fit do anything way go perfect. We ourselves no fit do anything way go perfect. The only thing say if the thing not perfect, we go improve them. We go work them. If the thing not they work, we go work them. Don't be say make we can't they go back they look. You know why God give us 2 eyes for front? Before I tell you that one, you know why he give us two ears, one for each side of the head?
I want to hear from you.
In God won't make we hear 2 sides of the story before we take judgment.
Okay.
That's why in for imperfect design. But why that God will put one for this place, put one for this place? Why he not put one for front, put one for back?
One for back. True word.
Because he no one make we they look back. He won't make we say where we they go for this country. That now waiting one way we they talk for television. That now waiting one way we they talk for radio. When our people come together, in no one way we they look back say 1960. Who did there 1960? We still there now. We don't there now. Waiting we go do how we go fix this thing. Okay, you don't make mistake. We don't make mistake. How we go correct them? Now so we supposed to talk about.
Not be lie you talk. But you know one thing be saying, they don't tell us say we country been dey better economically before. Back in the 50s, back in the 60s. Say we country been better socially. Say we get a lot of things and way they okay. Even politically back then though, we not too stand strong. Now the matter be saying until from the late 80s till today now, it be like say things they get worse as time they go. As time they go, it get worse. You think say a well-balanced political circle will bring about a balanced nation like our country Nigeria?
Hey, this boomer. Hey, boom boom.
And so I come
This girl gets plenty sense so. Make I tell you what I did look. So think that time we them join us together, 100 years. The people we can't give us independence. Now inside that faulty foundation, now them, some of them, they even burn them. You understand?
Yes.
So some of them see 1949, then they join us together. But somebody like Tafawa Balewa, now 1912, only 2 years old.
2 years speaking.
2 years speaking when they don't join us together. If you look, what will be the name of this, the premier for Eastern region? No.
Nnamdi.
Nnamdi, our president, the premier. The man, my name just scatter my head.
Don't
No.
say now.
But by the time we them born now, we them do independence, they never even born now, because 1920 they born now. So wait till they talk. Now say the problem now. Now say we suppose find out waiting those people know, because as speaking now they come out. But the foundation don't fault at that time, but then still get independence. The thing we then do now say then come together. Then say, it no matter whether you be Igbo, whether you be Hausa, whether you be Yoruba, it no matter. Whether you be Shekiri, whether you be Ijo, it no matter. Waiting we don't be, I say, all of us don't day inside this big pot. That pot now, they don't call them Nigeria, ba?
Yes.
So as the pot don't day, all of us don't day now, like ingredients inside the soup. Make we come begin the work together, make the soup sweet. Now so then take work, collect independence. Small picking, all of them. All of them, 30-something, 20-something, all of them together. Then come together. Antonio Nahoro, we move the motion for independence. That 29-year-old. So when you look at now, Peking, now small Peking, now come together and say, make this thing, make it feel work. Now, that one now give us that time where you dey talk. Where we say everything be like saying they work. You understand? Now my problem now say, since that time, as some people come begin, they go old. It be like say things come they worse.
Get one word there. You get one word when they always they talk, they always they ring our head, say, the age of Methuselah not get anything to do with the wisdom of Solomon.
You don't get
But
that.
a lot of people, they always talk, say, okay, Nigeria, we still young for democracy. That's why we dey waka small. When you check the step of our democracy, it dey waka small. So what thing you feel say they take us so long to make this country a better place?
It be like say they tell somebody today. I say, it be like make you they find out, say, why this motor they jam? Now because it gets brake problem, now because the motor get problem, or the person where they drive and no sabi drive. And then we can suppose look the two things. Because for me, it be like say when country they jam, we be saying economy they jam, health they jam, education they jam road, everything just they jam, they scatter. You suppose ask yourself, now the motor na get fault, or now the people when no sabi drive na they there. And me, I don't say the kind time where everything be like say they work. Those people now small picking them be. So there's something they people heard where they make them talk, say, when somebody don't reach that age of 60, make him go rest.
Make rest.
But when people we don't they as they don't they old, then decide say they no go leave this steering wheel. Then still they drive 70-something, then they drive 70-something, they still they hold. Allow them go contact drive go the place where they self won't drop, because they know say the future where then they go, they no go there. How the person where they drive when I go the future himself know say even with as Baba don't do say soon in go check out go somewhere. So my point now say very simple my point. Young people now supposed they drive the steering and go the future.
Because they
Young people. Then now why even that as you quote Bible now himself go quote am. Say he say that time when God want help somebody. He say now young men go they see vision. He say old men now dream then go they remember say in those days now that time when things still
when
better.
I was your age.
When Obasanjo, President Obasanjo, now 41-year-old for 1976, when he first become head of state. That time, 1 naira, now $1.33. That means say naira strong past dollar. If you want buy 100 naira, you go find $133. Come buy 100 naira. By 2006, where President Obasanjo just begin to pack in load, say, making drop house. That time, the man done 70-something. By that time, $1, you go take 133 naira, buy them. Wow. So which one come better? Now when Obasanjo young or when he don't old? As you see, say when he old, Naira don't spoil. When he young, Naira get
Naira
strong.
strong.
So he go tell you, say, now young people, now they make things better. Chikena.
Yeah, the name of that person is Michael Okpara.
Chief Michael Okpara, God bless you, God bless you. In fact, rest in perfect peace, sir.
Amen.
I remember, Oga Michael, he there for my heart, not be for my
He
head.
touched you somewhere inside your cord.
He there for my heart. Now, I said, now this show, now he can't make me.
I think at this point, what we go do be say we go small break. When we show back from this break, my country people, we go see open the phone line, make una chook una mouth. Because question plenty where we go ask, but just pattern, level, style. Then we go take enter our break. We the show back. Welcome back again on top. As it dey hot and the matter, it don't hot so it don't come out smoke for inside here. But my dear brothers and brethren, waiting with the talk now. It concern every single human being for Nigeria. Like this, you go just pick your phone. They call us straight away inside the studio. Talk and must take do waiting. Pinch you. All you get to do now to just call the number where your screen. Sharply without wasting time. And you know as it be now FOC. And not get credit, no they exist for here. We love you like that. So just carry your phone. Begin to green the numbers where they're on top of your screen. Right
I
now.
remember say in case you not fit pick your phone, take call, if you carry your leg, waka, enter inside our Facebook page. That one is just facebook.com/WazobiaMaxPH. Facebook.com/WazobiaMaxPH. And you can still jump at our tweet. That one I be Twitter. And our Instagram. That one, you just enter at WazobiaMaxPH. Go there, go drop your comments so that we'll go shook our output. So that we'll go read that for this. Our bonga guests when they the house with us. Go dissect them like say na food where they shop for man. Anyway, may we turn back again because we sit and down with our bonga guests, fella Duro Toye, a motivational speaker and also a presidential aspirant. Still cack for the house. But man, I believe that you get waiting the tutorial your mind when you want must talk. I better talk because if you not talk, I'll go talk.
I won't look at I want to start. But me, I bring this one to you, Mr. Fela. Since the new dawn of democracy for inside 1999, we don't get clamor of different kind of change of structures for inside our country, especially in terms of development. Now, for your own opinion, based on who you be, because as you say you be man, you don't put irons inside this matter, turn them upside down. Based on your own opinion, what do you think say our successive government, they never do right? What do you think be those things where they never really get, where they never really hammer well?
Man, just shipping small, Before you go start to respond, we dey here for people. Tell them say the voice of the masses, not the voice of God. So maybe we just take this call from Bright all the way from Alu before we come back. Okay. Bright, shook your mouth on top and see the hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bright.
Good morning.
I salute you, Bright.
Good morning,
Our
Bright.
guest for studio, I salute. My sir. See, this matter with the grant. I believe that, in my own view, the structure of Nigeria from 1960 not get anything to do with our own present suffering now and the problem with Nigeria they face. Rather, our past and present governance now, their wickedness and personal interest with it for the Nigeria now. Now, waiting they bring about the problem about the structure of Nigeria as of present now. It not get to do with age. It not get to do with size or education. It got to do with their personal interest. The wickedness, they are just wicked. The policies where they implement, where they put for grant, they allow the Nigeria to progress and exploit like other countries. We have other countries that where they get bad foundation. But Nigeria is not the only country, but rather the media of Nigeria present days now, they are so myopic and short-sightedness. They are wicked and greed. So Nigeria is talking about greed.
Just land.
We are going to excel in our pursuit and progress in life.
Thank you.
Thank you, well, Bright, for that.
That verse so they make you speak grammar.
Verse.
It dropped my whole pick. Just inside the
Bright
matter.
now, bright man. If I am bright, well.
Okay.
Because as you know, the talk where we don't the talk where even when we there for
exactly.
break. Say, listen, the people where they drive the motor, where we they call Nigeria, they no get the wickedness where they inside them. The kind now only their own then they think. The only kind thing where we say now as they go carry money, Make money wey belong to everybody, then go carry and pack and go one place. Say then go carry and go put for London. Carry and go buy house for London. The place where then they carry this money go safe. No people know they chop money like that. Then go carry, then spoil everything, spoil the education, carry their own children, make their own children go school for abroad. Then go abroad, go take a graduation picture, put them for Facebook for everybody. Say congratulate me. How we go to congratulate you? Say you carry your pikin go abroad. You when your papa train you for this place, for this country. When education good, when people they know they chop money, they chop. See the kind billion way then they chop for this place. There are the people where they drive this motor called Nigeria and now don't spoil the thing. Now then they jam this thing. But they no one make we look them. They won't make we they look the motor.
Now, you can't even bring them back to waiting. I mean, they tried to before we pick that phone call that time. In your own opinion,
Yes.
My question is, Jima,
Yes.
one side,
Yes.
waiting our past governments then, where don't work pass, waiting they not do right, and how where they now
Yes.
go fit affect the changes we go fit actually move forward, where be the whole thing where they look for.
Okay, so now for me, the problem where they don't the ground, I say the kind people where they get, where then they elect for us, where then they choose for us. Those kind people, no be the better people, no be people where sabi. Most of the people where then they choose for us, they never do anything. No, they no get company. They no get anything where they don't do. Where somebody go look and say, hey, see the kind of thing where this person they do when he no get office, when he know they do politics. Ask them how many governor get company. How many governor don't do something where we say you go fit talk say this now waiting this person don't build. How many local government chairman you fit say okay now the product this now in product when don't they sell waiting they sell before it come put chuked inside politics. Politics now don't become something where we say people they go inside go make money. No be so it be for those times. The people we don't do something, we don't do ogbonge thing, where they get achievement. Now in they go there go serve people. But now person will never do anything. Now in go chook head for politics. Say na politics na there God day.
Sharply, we'll just take this call from Chris all the way from Mercyland. Chris, shook your mouth on top of the hot.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Chris.
Hello, Chuka. I greet you.
I salute you back.
I'm Madam Buma. I greet
salute you, Chris.
I'm already for there. I salute you.
Chris, I salute you.
Nigeria from independence. It has been a sweet experience, if you ask me. Because from 1960, I wasn't born there. Even my papa self was a small boy. So, but the history from what we learned from primary secondary school, Nigeria was very, very sweet. The story my mama don't tell me about the salary, how much she received 20 naira as salary, as a nurse. Things she use and they do means that Nigeria used to be better than what it is today. Now, our youths have been brainwashed. Presently now, we live for life we papa we pray for him to better person. That's the kind of life we live. We live for life where our papa don't reach 60, 70. Instead, he believes a future still there for him. Instead, they fight. He no care about it. He ready to collect his children own job, put for him, make him see the go. And make it see Nigeria. And our youths have decided to allow themselves to be brainwashed by this old truth. From 1960s, they do recycling, the same people, and then don't they rule us. They will get up and find another bad means where they will use influencers, where they will use tell us and nothing. Yesterday night, I was discussing with somebody. Person with the 40 years, I knew him since 2013, 2012. He follow one politician for River State here as an aide. Yesterday, I called the house and said, why you don't run this local government election? I think you don't reach to become local government chairman. Why you don't follow them? Or cancel or even you start somewhere. He tell me saying, Oga, big man for this people. Open man tell him, say, make him put in head, make him leave him. Saying, well, make him full and go Abuja. Last time, make him make him full, make him full and go Abuja go do. He tell me, say, he won't go for House of Rep. Say, he won't make him full land. As much as if you want full land, go do 8 for Abuja. Now, if you will do all your life at 40. So that is kind of mentality. Which will they sell to us and our youth they buy them. That is why the country is the way it is. Today, no 70, no 80 years we understand the technology of the world. No 70 years, no 80 years man, we understand the technology of the world today. A lie. For Nigeria, no one.
All right, thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you, well, Chris.
so
We don't understand what you talk. You don't already drive home your point. Chris talk plenty things. We go still look into around one kind. But maybe we shook our eye inside this not too young to run bill when he said they signed into law recently by Oga President on a lighter note. Now, the bill talk one word. And this word, so it shock me. It be like when if Pekin they say mama na okay, mama where they used to say they call papa blind man. Now the bill talk say not too young to run. If or not better, if now not too young to rule, then I want in our action. And now they don't sign the bill into law. What do you mean? You say young Nigerians fit do not inside this governance for them to be part of this new bill now when they don't sign into law. How the younger generation fit take key into RAM?
So 2 questions where you don't ask now. Number 1, now so you say it's supposed to be not too young to rule.
To rule. Now run there, not too young to run.
But I want to quickly talk to you about this rule. Because rule now the kind thing we don't cause problem for us. You know, Nigeria never, the last 50-something years, now rule, they rule us. Rule be say make you press somebody down, make you turn down on top am, make you suppress them, make you oppress them. That's not rule. Not too young to lead, now you won't talk.
Lead.
Because lead, now say you want make person better, you want make place better, you want make people better. So anytime you see leader, they make people, they hold their hand, say, oh yeah, una go fit, try, make you see. Ruler, they push people down, say where you, who you think say you be? Where they? Now rule, they rule us since. Even colonial people say, now rule, they call rule. Not be lead, they can't lead us.
It's supposed to be lead your people along.
So it should be, that's the way they talk. It's not too young to lead, and true. We're not too young to lead. Though. Look at it. If you see media now, all the people where they did for media, not be young people them. Whether for radio, whether for television, look now. Well, if you go business now, you go fashion. Which kind of people you go find there? Young people. Go to business, you go find young people. Why be saying now only politics now then they talk say young people no feed day. Meanwhile, the people where give us independence now young people. The people where even start for 1960 when things better now young people. Then come down old now come say no young people no goes. We go chook head for there. As themselves chook head.
So can't close this then they go inside this bill where we say people like say still dey difficult for young people to enter.
Where democracy dey, anybody wey fit vote, in suppose fit stand make people vote for am.
Yeah.
That na the thing wey suppose be. If you old enough say make you fit vote, you suppose old enough make people fit vote for you. The problem na say that thing wey dem dey take choose people. Na that place, you know, you ask me one question wey we still dey before Chris call. That na where the real problem dey. Because we no get democracy for this country. Talk am say na fella talk am.
Ask that very question.
We no get democracy.
God bless
the
you.
thing wey we get na big English or make I fire am.
Fire the English.
Make I fire am, my people.
Talk am
Na
as e be.
selectocracy.
Selectocracy. When you say selectocracy, I better tell my mama where break am
small
down.
head.
That mama, the thing wey selectocracy mean be say democracy. Make I first talk wetin democracy be. Na him be say when the people get power. To say, now the person where we want making go represent us with this. Now the people now in they vote, even inside party, the member of the party, now all the people go come vote. When they count the vote, then go say, the people of Rivers State don't talk, say, now this person making go represent us. So when they come get for convention, now the person when they go announce with that. No be say delegates go come go they collect money from one person say na me the delegates now go vote. So the selectocracy now say this some people they when don't feel say now only they get power. Then be like then they call them Godfather. Sometimes then they call them cabal. Sometimes then they call them different kind of name where they give them. Those people, the thing that they do now say then go arrange with themselves. Then go come decide say now this person now we go choose. Then don't buy all the delegates. If not, even when they not buy them, as we see for one recent convention, I no go talk the name of the party. Make you know, as now only their own people then go put there. Once they put them people there, guess what thing go happen? That person don't reach office now. Who in go come serve? Now the people where he supposed serve or the person where put on there? Who you think say go serve?
I suppose he serve the people.
He supposed serve the people, but
make
because
we
of
take
that
this call from Emmanuel all the way from OGRA. Emmanuel, shoot your mouth at the pass the Chapali.
Agritana, good morning, everybody.
Salute to Emmanuel.
Salute to Emmanuel.
This no be waiting we will talk today. They don't talk about this matter since you don't think. I don't know why it's difficult for these old people to understand, say, they don't get division again to lead us to our dreamland. What's the media for them to resign from their positions? They have been there for how long now? Why is it difficult for them to allow youth to take over from them? This is one, selfish interest. Two, the reason why they are in politics is because of their family. Because of their own interest, their own personal interest. You see, all these things they talk to manifest or whatsoever, that thing they don't have into their mind. They will just come and tell you, I will do this, we'll make Nigeria great, we'll restructure that. In fact, the constitution we are using today is a military constitution. That is not democracy. Because I see no reason why someone will be in Abuja and you don't even know what is happening in the grassroots. All you keep on saying, oh, vote for me 219 or vote for me 215 or don't worry when I go there. Meanwhile, your children are there. Like my family, Uniport, let me use Uniport as a suspect. There was a time Uniport when people from other countries we are schooling there. They have foreigners teaching them. Where is the education sector today? Where is the head today? India is having a tourist in health. What can Nigeria boast of? But we have leaders who are there, who are taking billions of naira to themselves. Their children is outside. This security issue happening in Nigeria, their children are not outside, not facing it. You see soldiers following them. Meanwhile, we civilians, we are everywhere. Big kids.
Thank you, Emmanuel. You don't make your point. No, we don't already see where you talking for. Anyway, my people, now for you, we go for bad break. Small. May we jump at a small shikili break. Make I just tell you now one more time again. That's a woman when they roast ball and then they waka go far. So not to go far. Because when you go far, your ball left feeble. So stay where you did because when they come back, nah. We still they continue the matter. On top, as Ide. Hot. We they show back. Welcome back again on top. As Ide hot. There's a picking where they use a battery, not the fierce mo. We still stand that gidigba for years was Zobia Max TV because now we be the Ogbonge. We still there here. Anyway, we still get our Ogbonge guest when they are here with us, Mr. Fela Durotoye, a motivational speaker. Before we jump into that small break, we be the talk something time now they will go just shook our eye put chapali. We dey talk about this not too young to lead. Yes. You don't change our perception. Now from now, it's not going to be rule again. Only we don't change as the youth. Not too young to lead. Nobody go rule us. No say lead us. No say, now, wait, how you feel say youth they involved inside politics?
The thing where the youth supposed to do, every youth where they hear me now, understand, number one, now we be the country. Now we get, if you look at the number of youth where they this country, now we plenty pass. But if you ask people, you get PVC, then go say, I no get PVC. Say, why I no get PVC? He said, they don't decide them. These people, they don't decide the thing. They don't write the result. Now lie. Make you go get your PVC. If you want to get involved, make you fit choose as the government where go bring the future where you want. You go decide first, number one, you go get your PVC. Number two, make you go join party. Go join one party or the other, but make sure say you go choose which kind. Before you choose party, shine your eye well. Which party they there? The one where then go give you as normal member where they pay your dues, where then go give you the right make you fit vote. Now him be the kind party where you go choose. This big party, many of them know they give any member. You now only delegates now that they give. So then they select, then they do wuru, they arrange, they decide who they're supposed to put there. No? So youth, we go decide, say we go do new system, new party. If many of the youth decide, say a new party, then go join. We go big past these old parties, we don't there. Now we go big pass, because now we plenty pass. So the first thing I say, go get your PVC. Any youth we no get PVC. I don't tell all the youths, all the young girls. One boy come, one begin the Tory youth, say, my girl, ask him, boss, where your PVC?
Pattern.
In fact, any young person, we don't they married, He said, my darling, how tonight go be? Say, Oga, please now, wear your PVC.
Level.
Because person when no get PVC, no, he know they try to change the future for another person. You know if you trust them. So all men, go get your PVC. Women, please get your own so that you go feel harass the men, make them get their own. So PVC is a very important thing. I know say it's not easy to get that PVC. Why? Because they know say when you get your PVC, you go want change government. You go want make things better. And they don't want make things better. They want may we continue to the poor. So that then go fit they give us 200 naira, may we they vote for them. That thing no go. We must change that thing. The old people must go rest for house. When they don't rest, make the young people put their own head. We know say na future, now we get them. Not be the old people get the future, but the old people will go thank them for the one way they don't do for us so far. Thank you, but now we go drive this thing now. So young people, get your PVC. Number 2, go and join party. Number 3, make your day stand for election. And when you see somebody, young person, who wants to stand for election, no take mouth, scatter the person's head. No take abuse, kill the person. Now the young people today, now don't they discourage people where the young people where won't run. Encourage the other young people. Now somewhere 9 people they start. If somebody starts saying one run for government, you go say, you don't do local government ward chairman. Leave him first. When you go do the one where you fit do. Make him do the one where you fit do. Make yourself try the one where you fit try. You where they talk say somebody want to start for something, you don't get PVC.
Sharply, we go take this call from Abe all the way from Rumikini. Abe, shoot your mouth on top as the hot.
As the hot.
Fire down.
Abe.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I like this topic very well. I've been waiting for this topic to come on again. And here it comes. And I welcome our guest once again. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
The problem with the gate for this country.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
You have already explained it all. The problem is the person driving the motor and not the motor. No matter how old the motor is, the driver is of the accident that took place and not the motor. Because somebody is inside the motor driving. And whatever happens on the road is the driver that will be held responsible. So whatever we are seeing in this country today, we should not be shocked on it. We should take it. Because the leaders today are not the same leader yesterday. At least when we came down, we came out to see some little money, like 5 naira, 10 naira, we make it of them, we buy something, they give it them. Today you can't even go to using 5 naira to go to market to buy something. Not to talk of 20 naira. You can't even buy anything with them. Because all these people, all these old men, calling themselves leaders, have turned everything to their pocket. What they are after, only for them to brainwash the youth and make use of the youth to achieve their selfish interest. So the problem we are having today is not the terrain, but the problem is our leaders.
Thank you well.
Thank
you
you
well,
so
Abe.
much,
Let's
Abe.
say first start from your word.
This na the
It's yes. The driver.
Yes, no.
When they drive the motor.
When the driver don't old, he go they sleep for steering now.
After all, we get vintage cars.
Driver we don't old go they sleep for steering. Make driver sit for owner corner. Make young people drive this thing well. So if you want sleep, make it enjoy your life. But
Then
make
you
you
come and we'll take some of our Facebook reactions.
We get some persons who don't drop messages for Facebook. Kinetic Energy Heart. Kenneth, he said, my people, this thing just be like, say, if one person enter, now so with Nigeria problem, just they increase. Because if them enter, now for their own selfish interest. Now the matter with the talk since. David Andrew, he talk, he said, Timaya don't already talk say, pity for us, so not as the president Oga on seat. Now, I no support them for the rule where he rule us. The new leader, please lead us well, and God will reward you. Okay. Donald the King Bira, he said the governing structure is very bad. He stopped for them. Prince Emmy Isabu say it's been good and effective. Just the present administration, they weigh us down. God have mercy. He can put 3 for them. Emmanuel Confido, Nigeria has been hijacked by some group of cabals who lacked the intellectual capacity to juvenize our economy, abi? How you take put am there? The grammar
Capacity to rejuvenize our economy.
My dear brother, not be small. David Andrew still come back. Oh, he say, good morning as he dey hot. Sir, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Please, we need God-fearing person who can hear the cry of the poor. Please, the poor suffer.
Suffers a lot in
the poor
this
suffer a lot in this so-called change. Please, God-fearing person, so that Nigeria it go better for me and you. Thanks. Okay. Uranta Victor Mike, he talk plenty. I must say that Nigerian leaders don't fail right from independence to follow the governance footsteps of our colonial masters. Worse is the democracy we copied from America. Nothing come out. Nepotism, corruption, greed, incompetence, outright disobedience to court orders, and electoral fraud. Now be the order of the day. The grammar, them, my small head.
You know waiting my brother
But we get
talk.
one last one here. Baswene Wokoma, he say, as it is hot, I dey greet all the good people where they studio there on a good morning. Now, independence in Nigeria. Okay, no independence in Nigeria. So far as me and you know they see everything freely for we Nigeria, now still dependent we dey so. Our government know they try at all. I be Baswene from Buguma. Wahoo.
See,
tough.
everybody they talk the same thing.
But we get to wrap up real soon. And I get just one last question for you before.
No, question fit still come. No worry, just ask your own. Because I still get one bullet point.
Okay, you get your own too.
Just ask.
The one where they worry me, not they worry you. But now, the president of France, Emmanuel Macron, he visited us not too long ago. And while in there for Nigeria, in talk say, France no go fit change Nigeria, but now good policies go fit change Nigeria. That's up deep. What do you think about
homegrown democracy?
In fact, me I feel say yes, the man right. Now good policy, but now good people now in they form good policy. No be thief no fit form policy where go make you fit catch thief.
Abi.
You understand? Because in interest now go they protect. You see, this are the thing where they talk. The people where they rule, now they, as they go spoil, as they go keep people down. The people where they lead, as now they go raise people up. So waiting we need now. Say we need, as somebody don't talk. I think now Uranta talk and say we need good people. We get the fear of God. We know say if they give you immunity for office, no be say make you feel the jam impunity anyhow. Impunity now say make you just behave anyhow. That's not what impunity mean. Immunity no be for that kind of thing. Immunity na say make you fit serve people, make you fit make sure say you know they fear anything, serve the people well. That na waiting, no be say make you they take chop. Say when they say waiting happen, say no I get immunity. Now that kind of thing that they use. Nigeria, God don't bless us too much for us to suffer like this. Make anybody wait if you tell me one country where God don't give more for under the land mineral resources, on top of the land natural resources, and the kind of people where God give Nigeria. Nowhere for this world. Nigeria, God bless us special. We no suppose they hunger. We no suppose they suffer. The money where we they make from the things where God don't give us is supposed to reach us, spread well. Good road, good hospital. Where free education supposed they all the way to university. It's supposed to be so. It don't be like that before when good people did there. Until this kind of people where now chop now in the country. So now what we want now say we want young people. We want better future for their children. We want to make them come out. That's why myself rise. Say, okay, make I put head. I don't chook head now. Say, yes, myself will be president. But no be say because I just want to rule people. Now because I want to serve people. I don't serve people for the last 14 years. Make anybody when want Google me, go Google Fela Durotoye. Make them go check wetin Fela Durotoye don't do. You go see as I don't, one time day where we don't even take one whole area called Mushin, we paint them. I get like 2,000 people come out, free of charge. Why? Because Mushin a place where poor people dey. And then governor for Lagos, Fashola say, make everybody for where their house dey for street, make them paint them. The people don't get money. How they go take paint? Now me I can't say, okay, because then dey for my heart. Oh yeah, make una come out. 2009, now I don't do that thing. No, don't be say because I want to run for president.
Sharply, Kotan not too friendly.
But make I tell you what the result. 296 houses now we paint for one day.
Okay.
200
free of charge.
For one day.
296 houses. 2,000 people come join me. Say, fella, we believe in what you they talk. Mushi make over. Then go paint house. 296 houses, poor people house.
For one
Now,
day.
now we pay it one day.
Time and not day, we go just take this one sharply because this one, we with the Niger Delta here, we take this thing so personal. So I just want to make the way they are still here from you. Now, maybe we check now from the national confab, the outcome. Some people say it go solve the problem with the Nigeria. Now, what is some people talk? Why some say, in short, it is one-sided because now the before president, your plan be that Jonathan. Now wait, as you, Fela Durotoye, wetin be your own view about that national confab?
The first view where I get for national confab, now say now old people then call, make them come sleep for the place. Go look all them picture. The average age of that national confab, they don't calculate them now 62. Which kind confab people want confab? All of them are there, then they like this. Go see the picture. Just type national confab, you go see them like this. All of them they there. Because now old people then they go bring somebody with on 75, 78, somebody 82, 83. Come they join. Waiting they want confab. They don't talk anything for that place. The thing where we supposed to do now, say we supposed get new confab. When my own government reach there, we go call young people together. Because now the young people supposed to say, now we get the future, now we they go there. Not be the people where want sleep, where they don't they practice as they go sleep. Go sleep.
Thank you, Wawa. Thank you, Wawa. I want to say a big thank you to our Ogbonge guests. We take your time. Very busy schedule. He said no, make you come talk to with people small so that they go understand waiting. We need to know.
All the way from Lagos.
Last giddy.
God bless you. Say you remember
All
that
the way
part.
from Lagos. Now he come here, come sit down with us to tell you the way he love the people rich. He love the grassroots. He want make this thing where they see change. That's why I come here. I want to say a big thank you one more time again to our Ogbonge guests. We take your time from Lagos, fly from plane, come, go back, come again, just to come talk to people. Mr. Fela Durotoye will be motivational speaker and also a presidential aspirant. Thank you. In short, they say when person too great, you check out with 2 and for the second time. So I go shake you in my 2 and.
Now you know
If you dey like shake or to go.
Shake now honor. Now honor. The honor is a privilege. It's a privilege. Anyway, now for you go for ground break on top of the odds. Tomorrow, the same time again from 11 to 12, we'll come with another Ogbonge episode again on top of the odds. And today from 9 to 10, you go still watch the same thing where we just talk here. So go call your brother, sister, everybody say, in short, make them come watch Fela tonight by 9 to 10. Anyway, now for you, we'll go for ground break. And I want to say rest in peace to one of our Ogbonge guests. So they always they come here, consider with a peace man. We just get the story say, well, it is very, very unfortunate. And they like to announce death matter, but then may his gentle soul rest in peace. Now for you, we go for ground break. Oh, you don't make my ginger calm down again. Anyway, my name still remains Oshuko Omiragwa. The only man we say may be like that for national peace and equity to reign based on tradition. Waka. Now you go for say bye-bye because they say when it better for fisherman. Now pado, it take the wavy friends bye-bye.
All right, my country people, when I know say everything will get beginning, get end, and now here we go to draw the curtain on top of the matter. But don't forget, say you go still they send for my Domot report. Nah. Anything we get as it be for your area, whether na for road, I been at the area boys, I been at local self where they misbehave for your area. Oh yeah, take the picture, snap and send to us, describe every bring and come, and we go spread the matter on top of our table. My dear brothers and brothers, now here we from take back our kaya, come up for inside the studio. My name is TB Boma Amadi.
Go reminder, go get your PVC. Get your PVC.
Get your PVC.
PVC.